From this video, you will get tips to prepare for GitHub Foundations exam and share free practice exam to test yourself. What is the GitHub Foundations certification? Why get certified? Exam domains. Preparation strategy for best studying. One. Which of the following best describes GitHub pages? A. Web pages hosted and published through GitHub repositories. B. Handles pagination for API requests. C. Hosts long-form documentation about your project. D. Curated guides around how to use GitHub products. Answer: A. 2. What is the difference between an organization member and an outside collaborator? A. Organization-based permissions do not apply to outside collaborators. B. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, is not required for outside collaborators. C. Outside collaborators cannot be given the admin role on a repository. D. Outside collaborators do not consume paid licenses. Answer: A. 3. Which of the following can be performed within GitHub Desktop? A. Creating and managing issues. B. Reviewing and approving pull requests. C. Adding and cloning repositories. D. Commenting on discussions. E. Integrating with Office Suite software. Answer: C. 4. Which of the following is a key characteristic of GitHub projects? A. Ability to visualize the commit history. B. Ability to import Gantt charts from Microsoft Project. C. Ability to create and customize multiple views. D. Ability to enforce required fields. Answer: C. 5. Which of the following is an inner source development practice? A. Adopting open source code into the organization. B. Sharing code between teams within the organization. C. Removing open source code from the organization. D. Making all repositories publicly accessible. Answer: B. 6. What are the key areas of focus for GitHub? Each answer presents a complete solution. Choose 3. A. Nurturing a community that supports open source principles. B. Providing access and opportunities for developers. C. Providing a social media platform for project managers. D. Building a technology platform for secure code sharing and collaboration. E. Hosting video calls with other developers. Answer: A, B, D. 7. Which of the following options is available as a default discussion category? A. Bug report. B. Daily check-in. C. Show and tell. D. Security concern. Answer: C. 8. What is the benefit of using GitHub Enterprise Cloud with Enterprise Managed Users, EMU? A. It provides centralized control and streamlined management of user accounts through their identity provider, IDP. B. It offers additional collaboration and content creation capabilities for managed user accounts. C. It automatically validates user interactions using the identity provider, IDP, conditional access policy, CAP. D. It enables GitHub user accounts access to protected resources using SAML/SSO. Answer: A. 9. Which of the following is the purpose of a GitHub repository? A. To provide a folder that stores project files, including documentation, on your local machine. B. To provide a version control system designed for small projects, offering simple tools for organizing files on your laptop. C. To provide a cloud-based hosting service for project documentation, providing a secure and centralized location for file storage. D. To provide a collaborative space where developers can share and manage code files, track changes, and store revision history. Answer: D. 10. Which of the following best describes cloning a repository? A. It creates a copy of the repository on github.com. B. It retrieves code updates from the remote repository. C. It creates a copy of the repository on your local machine. D. It imports your source code into a new repository. Answer: C. Subscribe and like past question.